Chào các bạn. Hôm nay mình sẽ nói về chuyện hình như là người Việt Nam không có rành bảng chữ cái của chính mình lắm. Các bạn không tin phải không? Listen closely to how people say the letter.
Phải nói chưa năm nào chỉ số GDP lại khó đoán định. Chỉ số GDP.
Chúng ta sẽ nói về 5G.
So it seems Vietnamese people say in two different ways, J and G. Now, it's not just that one letter that causes confusion. It's the alphabet in general. So why do Vietnamese people seem to disagree with each other on the names of the letters in their own alphabet? Well, here's a bit of history. The writing system that is used today was created in the 17th century. Before that, there was no Vietnamese alphabet. The old writing system was Chinese characters or based on Chinese characters. Originally, the letters were named after the letters in the French alphabet. This is because the creator of the alphabet was himself French. Like this: A, B, C, D, D, E, G, H, etc. Then, in the 1930s, a professor called Hoàng Xuân Hãng promoted the phonics method of teaching people how to read and write. One of the most important principles of this method was to sound out the letters according to the sounds they represent, as opposed to just using the names of the letters. So, A, B, G, J, D, E, G, H, etc. This idea is just like having a child learning how to spell the English word cat by saying K, A, T, cat, instead of saying C, A, T, cat. The Vietnamese word for fish, cá, would be read out like this: Cờ, a, ca, sắc, cá, with cờ, the consonant, a, the vowel, ca, the combination of cờ and a, and then sắc, the tone. And then we have cá, as opposed to C, A, Ca, sắc cá, with C is the correct name of the letter. Or the word gà, gà, chicken, G, A, ga, huyền, gà, rather than J, A, ga, huyền, gà. To this day, kids learn how to spell like that. So they learn the sounds of the letters first, and only later do they learn the names of the letters. But the names of the letters don't seem to get learned very deeply, and so people often revert to the letter sounds that they learned first. So if you see this bakery, almost all people will say A, B, C using the real names. But very often, if you see the cinema chain, you will hear most people say not G, G, V, the letter sounds, or C, J, V, the letter names, but a hybrid C, G, V, with C and V being the letter names and G being the sound of the letter. Like this.
Đó là CGV vị trí thanh. CGV, CGV, CGV.
Even some people who are teaching others how to read the alphabet get the letter sounds and the letter names mixed up. For example, in this clip, this is the Vietnamese alphabet song. All the letters are read phonically, except
A A ơ bờ cờ giờ đờ e g h i k l m n o ơ pơ quy rơ sơ tơ u ư vơ sơ y.
So, while all other letters are read phonically, these two letters are read according to their real names. Ka and we. Rồi, nếu mà các bạn còn chưa tin Annie thì các bạn thử ha. Just for fun, why not find a Vietnamese person and challenge them to recite the alphabet off on top of their head? I tried while writing this lesson and I failed to recite it smoothly and correctly. And I know I'm not the only one. Let me know the result in the comment. You now can study our subscription lessons with our new app. There are a lot of free lessons for you to try us out. Links to download the app are in the description box.